The built-in Do Not Disturb mode is a great way to reduce distractions by basically silencing notifications on your phone. It doesn't require any third-party apps, and I'll show you how to use it on two phones, Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy. Let's look at the Pixel phone first. To turn on Do Not Disturb mode, we'll swipe down from the top right corner to open the Quick Settings, and then I'll tap Modes. From there, I'll choose Do Not Disturb, and we'll tap Done. That's basically it. Your phone will now silence all notifications and minimize any distractions. When you want to return back to normal, you'll swipe down from the top right corner again and tap the Do Not Disturb button to turn it off. You can also customize this mode if you don't want everything to get silenced while it's enabled. We'll go to Settings first and then navigate to Modes. From there, I'll choose Do Not Disturb. And here, I can not only turn the mode on and off, but I can also choose specific people and apps who I want to see notifications from even when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can even choose between calls and messages and choose to allow just one of those from a specific contact, or you can allow both. Similarly, you can select an app if you want to keep receiving notifications from a specific app. Towards the bottom, you can choose the display settings, basically determine what is shown on your screen, and you can predetermine the duration. By default, it'll stay on until you manually turn it off, but you can also set it to automatically turn off after a specific time frame. If I want to focus on work for the next 3 hours, I could set this to 3 hours, and after that, it'll automatically turn off. On a Samsung phone, everything is similar, but the menus and settings might look slightly different. I'll swipe down from the top right corner to view my quick settings, and here I have Do Not Disturb within these little buttons in the middle. Tap to turn it on, and tap again to turn it off. If you don't see the button, you can use the pencil icon up top to add it. Just like on a Pixel, we can customize this. Samsung has this under the notification settings, and from there, you'll find Do Not Disturb. Similar settings, you can set the duration, what's allowed while the mode is on, and you can even schedule this to turn on automatically on specific times and dates. So, that's how you use the Do Not Disturb mode on your Android phone. When it's on, you'll see this little icon on the top of your screen indicating that it's enabled. Turn it off, and the icon goes away. Click that like button if this helped, share with a friend who needs to learn this, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.